Now, to those of you interested in my gardening, in my learning, this will be the first time I'm going to plant the ginger. Here I have some ginger that was bought, but it looks kind of dry to me. I don't know if it's good for planting, but there's only one way to find out, really, through experience. I like ginger very much. You know why? Because it reminds me a lot when I stayed with a grandfather, with the abuelo, with a shaman in the Peruvian Amazonian rainforest, where I stayed these 4 months, where he was healing me, he was curing me with the medicinal plants. One of the diets I had to undergo was the ginger one. It was a recipe. I can tell you the recipe. So 1 kilo of ginger, you have to peel them, you have to mash them, you have to and then you put it into a big pot, big bowl. You can put honey, or you can put, I put the what here they call panela or chancaca. It is the sugar cane kind of brick. So it was 1 kilo of it. Or you can put honey, it would be even better. And a little bit of water in this bowl. Then you boil it for, I don't know how long we boiled. I did it on the fire. And let's say some 20 minutes. Then you take out from the fire. When it is cold, you take on the syrup away with this ginger staying, you know, because your syrup, how you call it, has gotten all of this thing. And this medicine you put in a bottle, and the abuela told me to put it down in the earth. I buried it for 7 days, and after 7 days I started drinking it, like 1 shot every day. This was one of the medicines I was drinking, and it truly helped me. Okay, overall process being with abuela helped me, but this, it felt really strong. Ginger is really strong. So what I wanted to say with my long talk is that now I'm going to plant this little miracle in this soil that yesterday I worked. It will be the first time I'm planting it, so I watched on the internet. They say that buds have to be up. But which one is the bud? I think it is like this. Okay, you will go here. Now this one, let's leave some place. I don't know. Maybe I'm not doing it so right. Maybe you can write me video comment if I can do it better. Because, like I say, I'm learning. But this learning, I see like a scientist. I do it with, I like it. I think it goes, how it goes. Like this, I think. You know, the abuelo, the shaman I stayed with, he taught me many things. I learned a lot from him, but one of the things that he would repeat over and over again, he would say that it is not me who is teaching you, you have to learn from the very plants. And he was saying that if you listen, the jungle can teach you, and it will teach you all its secrets and all its plants. You don't need to, I don't know, to read a book about the plants or these master plants I was learning about there in the jungle. It is like every plant has a spirit, and if you approach it wanting to learn with respect, with love, it will teach you. You have to observe it and see it, and it will teach you many things. This is what I constantly remembering being here and having my garden. It is that these plants teach me many things. Okay, so ginger is here. I read on the internet that it is slow to grow, But that's okay, I'm going to leave you here, somewhere around here, close to the kamote, the sweet potato. Very good. Let's see how it grows. If you have some comments, some suggestions, some advices concerning my gardening, I would be more than grateful to hear. And also, like I have said, I know these plants more by their Spanish names. I don't know much of the English names. So if you know Spanish, if you know English, maybe you can write a video. This comment. Maybe you can write a comment about of the English name of the plant that I don't know how it is in English.